Hello everyone, welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today's recipe is Oreo Truffles, which is really delightful and easy dessert to make. No baking is required, and you can use this as a gift or for dessert after dinner, or make any occasion happy. So let's start. But before we start, I like you to subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel. And how do you like this recipe? Please let me know in the comment box below. So to make the Oreo truffles, we need Oreo, obviously. So I'm going to take some Oreo pieces and grind it into a chopper like this, or you can use a grinder. So we want the crumbly mix like this. To this we are going to add condensed milk. Now this is sweetened condensed milk. If you want to use unsweetened, you can use that too. I just added 1 spoonful of condensed milk until it forms a dough like this. You can also use milk to form a dough. Now take it out in a bowl, and I'm going to take a spoonful of it and roll it into a ball shape like this. It's very easy to do, but you have to work quickly, otherwise it will start drying out and it will fall apart. So I'm going to take some semi-sweet chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. I'm going to melt them using double boiler method. This is easy way to get glossy finish. It will be smooth and silky chocolate finish. So I'm going to take it out in a bowl, and to the white chocolate I'm going to add a half teaspoon of oil. You can use any oil like corn, canola, or coconut oil, but don't use olive oil, otherwise it has a strong smell. And to this I'm going to add a food color because I want my glaze to be pink in color, so I just added 1 drop of red food color. So our chocolate is ready, and I'm going to dip the balls into the chocolate, roll it using a fork, or you can use a toothpick. Now with the pink glaze, I'm going to put it into a Ziploc bag like this, or you can use a piping bag, and I'm going to cut out the corner, and I'm going to start decorating. You can decorate however you want. This is how I personally liked it, so I just decorated each one differently. And look how beautiful it looks. You can create this in no time, and it is perfect to delight anyone. So I hope you like this recipe. Please let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Enjoy it. And I'm just going to pack this up in a gift box so that you can use it as a gift. Nothing is better than handmade gift. So enjoy it, and don't forget to like the video.
So the Oreo truffles are ready, so I'm going to test it. It's very tasty, and it tastes delicious.